Have you ever wondered how to achieve financial freedom? The journey towards financial independence can be a daunting one, filled with countless choices and decisions. Yet, it's a journey that can lead to a secure and comfortable life. Today, we'll take you through a comprehensive guide on mastering personal finance, providing you with actionable tips and strategies to help you take control of your financial future. First, we dive into setting financial goals. The importance of setting clear and achievable financial goals cannot be overstated. Whether you're saving for retirement, buying a home, or paying off debt, having a target to aim for can significantly increase your chances of success. Remember to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next, we unpack the basics of budgeting. The backbone of any strong financial plan, budgeting involves tracking income and expenses. With a personalized budget, you can gain a clear picture of your financial situation and make informed decisions. Tools such as budgeting apps or spreadsheets can be incredibly helpful in tracking expenses and staying within budget. Debt is a reality for many, but it doesn't have to be a lifelong burden. Various types of debt carry different implications on personal finances. With strategies like the debt snowball and debt avalanche methods, you can effectively tackle your debt. Negotiating lower interest rates or consolidating debt can also make repayment more manageable. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. This fund is intended for unexpected expenses, like a sudden car repair or job loss. Having an adequate emergency fund can make these situations less stressful. Tips for building this fund include setting up automatic transfers or cutting unnecessary expenses. Investing for the future is an integral part of achieving financial freedom. Understanding different asset classes and investment vehicles can help you make informed investment decisions. Diversification and risk management are key to building a robust investment portfolio. Planning for retirement is a long-term goal that requires early and consistent action. There are various retirement savings options such as 401ks, IRAs, and annuities. Calculating retirement savings goals and maximizing retirement contributions can set you on the path to a comfortable retirement. Lastly, protecting your financial future is crucial. Insurance can provide a safety net against unexpected events, such as illness, disability, or death. Understanding different types of insurance coverage and assessing your insurance needs can help you choose the right coverage for your circumstances. Mastering personal finance is crucial to achieving financial freedom. Today's discussion offered you a comprehensive guide to taking control of your financial future. Now, it's your turn to take action. Implement these strategies to improve your financial health, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. For more content on personal finance and wealth-building strategies, subscribe and stay tuned. Your journey towards financial independence begins now.